Okay, children. So today we are going to do one model paper, children. Model paper number 4. Okay, it is from Oswald and children. Okay, so 2021 board max model paper I am doing, children. First one, children. What is the HCF of 96 and 404? What is the HCF of 96 and 404? Children, this is a 1 mark question. So how you will do, they don't want it. So they want the answer, but better anyway you will do in the rough column, children. That you show in the solution, children. First you write the answer, but solution side you show, children. Okay, so 96 4 are 4 6 24 4 9 38 20. So 24 is 80. So children see here, 16 ones are 16. Okay, so 4 4 is 16 0. So children, 4 is the HCF. 4 is the HCF. Actually, by point factorization method also you can do, children. So since it is a 1 mark question, they did not mention. So compulsory 4 is the HCF you write, but show the solution also, children, and highlight your answer. Compulsory highlight your answer. Second question. Okay, product of two numbers equal to, children, product of two numbers of HCF and LCM is equal to, product of two numbers of HCF and LCM is equal to LCM into HCF. Product of two numbers is equal to LCM into HCF. You all know that one, children. Okay, next. If a pair of linear equations is consistent, then the line will be consistent. Is what, children? Consistent with you will get answer. So when, so it can be intersecting or coinciding.
Coincident.
It can be intersecting or coinciding. It can be intersecting or coinciding, but not parallel lines. Okay, if you want to answer, it can be intersecting or coinciding. Please, children, mute your audio. So, which of the following equations has 2 as a root, children? They have given equations, children. Leave it. We can't do now that one because all equations I can't do. See, children, k comma 4. K comma 4, children, k comma 4 divides the lines 2 comma 6 and 5 comma 1 in 2 is to 3. In 2 is to 3. What is the value of k? Who will tell this sum? Anyone, student?
So shall I?
Yeah, sorry, Peter.
K is equal to 2 into 5.
So first, this is x coordinate, this is y coordinate. X coordinate formula?
X equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n.
M plus n. Okay, so
K is equal to
k is equal to
2 into 5 plus 3 into 2.
3 into
2
2.
by 2 plus 3.
2 plus 3. So how much is going to be?
10 plus 6 by 5, 16 by 5.
So that is 16 by 5 is the answer, children. Okay. Next question. Sixth question. Okay. So the angle between two tangents drawn to external point is 60 degrees. Children, there are two tangents. Children, this is 60 degrees. Okay, children. If the angle between two tangents drawn from the external point to a circle of radius A is saying radius A, children. Okay. Question is, what is the length of tangent? This OP, this is O, this is P, this is Q. What is the length of OP? What is the length of OP, children? Okay, who will tell this one?
So
Yeah, who will tell?
Okay.
Who will tell?
Sir, can I try?
Rakesh.
So
This is
that's
90.
90 and radius is perpendicular tangent.
This is 30. This is 30.
Trigonometry ratio.
For this is
Opposite.
opposite. This is
And hypotenuse.
who will give opposite by hypotenuse?
Sin 30.
Sin 30 is equal to
A by x.
A by OP.
O.
A by OP. 1 by 3 is equal to
A by OP.
OP is equal to
OP is equals to 2A.
2A. That's all over. OP is equal to A. That's all. So children, like that you have to find out the angle between them, children. Okay, if the angle between them is given, see, children, these two are congruent triangles. This is 30 degrees. This is also 30 degrees. Okay. Now next one. 9 secant square minus 9 tan square is equal to how much? 9 secant square minus 9 tan square is how much? How to do, children? Take 9.
9
Common.
common secant square minus tan square.
What is secant
Which
square
is
minus
1.
tan square?
1.
1.
1.
Secant
9.
square minus tan square is 1. Secant square minus tan square is 1.
Mm.
So therefore it is 9, children. Therefore it is 1. Next, 8th question. Okay, children, the area of the circle that is inscribed in a square, children, there is a square of side 6. There is a side of a square of side 6. Inside that, they have drawn a circle. Srija, can you tell this Nana? Srija?
Yes, sir.
Nana, what is the area of the circle, Nana? How to do? Mama? This
Area
is
of
how
circle
much?
is
This is
pi
how
r
much?
square.
Pi r square.
Okay.
That is 6 centimeter. Diameter is 6, sir.
Diameter is 6 means?
Radius is 3.
Okay.
22 by 7.
Okay.
3.14 into 9.
Okay. 28.26
28.6.
26 centimeters square. That's all. Right. So children, if this is 6, if this is 6, this is also 6, my children. So I have used this and I have found out children. Okay. Next one, children. 9th one like this. The radius of solid sphere is r centimeters. There is a solid sphere, children, whose radius is r centimeters. It is divided into 2 equal parts. This is divided into 2 equal parts. This is divided into 2 equal parts. Okay, find the whole surface area of the 2 parts. Find the whole surface area of the 2 parts. So we are getting here one hemisphere, here one hemisphere. Okay, Srinija. Srinija, can you tell how to do this?
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
What is the PSA of hemisphere, Nana? PSA of hemisphere? PSA of hemisphere, Srinija? 3 pi r square. So like the 2 are there, children. So into 2, the answer is 6 pi
6 pi
r
r square.
6 pi r square. Okay, children, next question. Okay, so children, here they have given a formula. Mean formula in assumed mean method is A plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. Okay, children, here he is asking in finding mean in data, these are deviations from A of. These are deviations from A of what? Deviations of A from where will we take?
Intervals.
Class intervals.
Sorry,
No.
frequency.
No. Anyone? Deviation of A
Sir,
from B.
fi xi.
No. Anyone in the class?
Xi, sir.
UI.
Xi means what? Xi means what? From
Upper
class
limit.
mark. From class mark. Yes or no, children?
Yes.
So from class mark, any A, what is A? Any middle value of xi. What is class A assumed mean? Any middle value of xi. Xi means what? Class mark. Class mark means what? Upper limit plus lower limit by 2. Okay, from class mark, any one middle value we will take as A and we will do D minus A, D minus A, D minus A every time. So class mark, what is class mark? Upper limit plus lower limit by 2. What is class mark? Upper limit plus lower limit by 2. Okay, children, next question. The area of triangle, children, you have to find out the area of triangle. A into B plus C, B into C plus A, and C into A plus B. Sweta, can you tell how to do this one? Area of triangle, we should find area. Oh, children, area of triangle is out of syllabus, no for you?
Yes, sir.
X1, Y1, X2, Y2, X3, Y3. At least do you know what is the area of triangle formula?
Yes,
children?
sir. Half into mod of x1 into y2 plus
Y-
y3, y2
In
minus y3
plus
plus
x2
x2
into
into
y3
y3
minus
minus
y1
y1
plus
plus
x3
x3
into
into
y1
y1 minus y3.
This is the formula, children. This is the formula. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2. First x1, x2, x3, y2, y3. After 2, 3 will 1. After 3, 1, 2. You have to substitute in this. Anyone wants to say substitution, children?
Yes, sir.
Anyone?
Half into
No, wait, no. I think some other student will ask. Who will tell? Surya Kala will tell. Surya Kala, you tell.
Yes, sir. Half
Yes.
into A into C plus A minus A plus B
Minus A minus B.
minus B plus B into A plus B minus of B minus C plus C into B plus C minus C minus A
This gone. This gone.
B
This gone.
plus half into A minus plus B into A minus C plus C into B into half into AC minus AB plus BA minus BC plus CB minus CA.
Anything gets cancelled?
BC AC CA half into 0 equals to 0.
Area of triangle is 0. If
0.
area of triangle is 0, that line is straight line. If area of triangle is 0, this is collinear. If area of
Collinear.
triangle is 0, these three are collinear.
Collinear.
These three lies on the same line. Next one. The largest number which divides 70 and 125, leaving a remainder 5 and 8. The largest number which divides, leaving a remainder 5 and 8. Okay, Kashish, can you tell? Kashish.
Yes, sir.
Largest number which divides both of them, leaving remainder 5 and 8. 70 minus 5,
65.
125 minus 8.
So 117.
Can you please help me in finding the HCF of this both?
Yes, sir. 65. Ones are 65. Then 52. 65 of. Should we take points here, sir? Okay, 52. Ones are 52. 7. 52. Sevens are 49. Then 7 7s are 49. Then 3. 3 twos are 6.
One is
One.
coming. So answer is 1. So children, 1 is the HCF of 65 and 117 children. So 1 divides 70 and 125, leaving the remainder. Did I do correct, children? Anyone? Did I do any mistake?
Sir, 13 is the HCF, right?
Why not 13? Somewhere I did wrong, I think. 52, 65, 52, here 13, Nana, here 13. Sorry, Kashif, I told you wrong. This is 13. Nana. So 13 fours are 52. So answer is 13, children. 13 is the answer. Okay, like this, children. Small mistake here. Okay. So be careful, children, when you are doing the sum. Don't do mistakes like me. Next question. A pair of equations graphically represents which lines? Children, they have given like this. A is equal to x is equal to A and y is equal to B. Okay, children, graphically represents lines which are, children, x is equal to A, y is equal to B. They represent what, children? Graphically represents lines which are
Intersect.
parallel to children. X is A means it is parallel to y axis. Y is equal to B means parallel to x axis. They give parallel lines to x and y axis. They give parallel lines to x and y axis. Okay, children, x is A means you draw like this. Okay, y is B means you draw like this. This is parallel to x axis. This is parallel to y axis. So they are parallel lines to coordinate axis. Next question. The sum of first 80 multiples of 3 is sum of first 8 multiples of 3 is what? Varshini or Varshita? Who is there? Varshini, Varshita. Who is there?
Yes, sir.
Who is
Varshini.
there? Varshini?
Yes, sir.
Varshini, tell. Find sum of first 8 multiples of 3.
A is equal to 3, D is
No,
equal
tell me the sequence first. 3,
to 6,
6. Yeah. 9.
12, 15,
So, okay, find the sum of first 8 multiples. Sum formula, Nana?
n divided by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into 2, into d, sorry.
Yeah, tell me, Nana.
N is equal to 8. So 8 divided by 2, 2 into 3 plus 8 minus 1, 3,
Okay.
4, 6 plus 21, 4 into 27.
108. What is this 108? Tell me the statement for this answer, Nana. Tell me the statement. 108 is
Therefore, the sum of first 8 multiples of 3 is 108.
so children 108 is the sum of first 8 multiples of 3. 108 is the sum of first 8 multiples of 3 children. Okay, children. Next. Next. Sin 45 plus theta minus cos 45 minus theta is equal to how much? This is the question. Using complementary angles, we have to do each other. Okay, sin 45 plus theta, I will write as sin 45 plus theta only. This cos theta, what is cos theta, children?
Sin
90
90
minus
minus
theta.
theta.
Okay,
90 minus 45.
Sin.
90 minus 45 minus theta.
Okay, Rakesh, lot of disturbance in here. 45 plus theta minus sin into 90 minus 45 plus theta. So sin 45 plus theta minus sin 45 plus theta. Same thing minus same thing is 0. Yeah, what is that? What is happening? Next 60th question. So children, next question. See here. Here, this is P children. This is R. This is Q. This is S. This is T children. This is ST. In the figure, ST is parallel to P. PS is 3 centimeters. PS is 3. SI is 4. Find the ratio of area of PST, area of PST by area of PRQ. Children, actually, this is out of question for you. But just I'm telling children, don't remember, no need. Okay, so ratio of area of small triangle to big triangle. Children, these lines are parallel, so small triangle is similar to big triangle. Then, like as triangles are similar, ratio of areas is equal to ratios of squares of corresponding sides. 9 by 49 is the ratio of area. Since it is not there, I'm not explaining much, children. Next question. 16 for the children, orbit. Let's see here, children. This is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, this is E. Okay, this is 1.8, this is 5.4, this is 7.2. I want X. I want you to find out X. Charan, can you tell how to find X? Charan. These both are parallel lines. Vishwa, Charan.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you tell? How do you find out X? These both are parallel lines. Because DE is parallel to DC, this by this is equal to this by this. Tell me, applying BPT.
Applying BPT, x by 7.2 is equals to 1.8 by 5.4. Equals 3. X is equals to 7.2 by 3. X is equals to 2.4.
X is equal to 2.4. Charan, tell me one more thing. Sorry, Vishwa, tell me one more thing.
Yes, sir.
So, now question is there on this. They are saying here one circle is there, here one circle is there, here one parallel line is running like this, here also one parallel line is running like this. Okay, so this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. Okay, AB and CD are common tangents to the circles of unequal radius. Prove that AB is equal to C. Now we have to prove that AB is equal to C.
Yes, sir.
Can you try? AB is equal to CD. You have to prove. We have to prove that AB is equal to CD. They have a common tangents to two circles of unequal radius. You have to prove that AB is equal to CD. Yes, children? Anyone? Full time?
Sir, shall we extend it?
Yes, you can extend now. No problem with that. You can extend.
If we extend, tangents are equal, no, sir.
Yeah, you can extend now like this. So you can extend like this. If you extend like this, they both will join here. Now, OA is equal to OC. Why?
Because any two tangents from an external point are always equal.
Now, OB is equal to OD. Why?
Tangents
That
meeting
is-
at the point are equal. Subtract
This you subtract from this you subtract from this.
AB
OA
is
minus
OA minus
OB.
OB is equal to OC minus OD. AB is equal to C.
OA minus OB is AB and OC minus OD is C. Very good, Tanush. Good boy. Super. Tanush, tell next one. The diameter of two circles are 16 and 30. Tanush. One is 16. Tanush, are you there?
Yes, sir.
The diameters of two circles with center A and B are 16 and 30. If area of another circle with center C, okay, if the area of another circle is sum of the areas of two circles, what is the circumference of this circle? The area of this circle is called sum of these areas. The area of this circle is called sum of these areas. How to do this sum?
Sir,
Sir, pi r square plus
Area of big circle is equal to
area of
Area of
circle 1 plus area of
small
circle 2.
circles.
pi
So
we
pi r
get
square is equal to pi r1 square plus pi r2 square. Big R square is equal to 8 square plus 15 square. Big R square is equal to 64 plus 225, which is equal to 289. 17.
Now, what is the circumference of big circle?
2 pi r, sir.
So
And
2 into
2 into 2
2
into
into 3.14 into 17.
how much is that, children? Anyone?
Sir, 106.76.
Not 6.76 centimeters is the circumference of the big circle, children. So next one, a solid metallic cuboid of dimensions. Harsh. This is cuboid of 982. Is melted and recasted into cube of 2 centimeters. Harsh, are you there? This is 2 everywhere. So how many cubes are made? How many cubes are made? This is a question, children. How many cubes are made? Okay, so
Sir, shall I?
Sir, can I?
Fulton?
Sir, Sahib.
Pranati.
No, both are telling so many sons. Nana, wait. I will ask some other student. Vaishnavi, you tell. Vaishnavi. Samhita.
We,
Anvita.
sir, can I tell?
Who is that?
Vishwa.
Vishwa. Tell.
Big L
Volume of big cube is equal to n into volume of small cube.
small cube. LBH is equals to n into L cube. 9 into 8 into 2 into n into 2 into 2 into 2.
So how many cubes are made?
N is 18 cubes.
18 cubes are made.
Cubes are
Very, very good. Next, Srideep is there. Srideep. The probability of selecting a rotten apple randomly from heap of 900 apples. The probability of selecting a rotten apple is 0.18. What is the how many rotten apples are there in the heap? How many rotten apples
Sir, can you
are
repeat
there
the
in
question?
heap? How many rotten apples are there? This is the question. How many rotten apples are there? Okay. Sanvi,
Sir, I'm there.
will tell.
So can I tell?
Sridhar
Sir, 0.18
is equal to
is equal to 1.
number of rotten eggs by total. Probability of rotten eggs is equal to number of rotten eggs by total number of eggs. This goes here. How much it will come, children? 9 into 162 rotten egg apples are there. 162 rotten apples. Probability is number of rotten apples by total number of apples. So 0.18 into 900, that is 162 rotten apples are there. Like next, Rohan is there? Rohan?
Yes, sir.
Rohan wants to renovate his room. He calls an architect from the work to measure the room. The length, breadth, and height of room. Rohan, see. The length, breadth, and height of your room is see here. So length is 8 meters, 50 centimeters, 6 meters, 25 centimeters, 4 meters, 75 centimeters, respectively. He wants to put the longest rod in that. How do you put the longest rod? What is the formula for the diagonal of the cuboid? Rohan.
Diagonal of the cuboid, sir.
Diagonal of cuboid formula?
Under root of L square plus B square plus H square.
So children, 8 meters, 50 centimeters means
8.5 meters.
850 meters.
850 centimeters.
850 centimeters. 850 centimeters. You're taking centimeters or meters, children?
Meters will be easy.
Okay, 8.5 square plus 6.25 square plus 4.75 square. It is really becoming very big, children. The length of longest rod is root of L square plus B square plus H square. Remember this, children, and try to solve this, children. The length of the longest rod, length of the diagonal is root of L square plus B square plus H square, children. 22nd. A die is thrown once, the probability of getting a number which is a prime number and lies between 2 and 6. If die is thrown once, you may get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the probability of getting an even number?
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
3 by 6, 1 by 2. What is the probability of getting a prime number?
1 by 2.
1 by
2.
So 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. And what is the probability of getting a number between 2 and 6?
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
Again 1 by 2. So many 1 by 2s are coming. Next question. So children, 22 only one more sum is there. 22 only one more sum is there. Game consists of tossing a coin 3 times and nothing the outcome each time. Noting if the getting same result. So children, if 3 coins are tossed, what will how many probabilities will be there, children? 8 probabilities. What are the 8 probabilities you will be getting, children? What are the 8 probabilities you are getting, children?
H.
What is the probability of getting all heads or all tails?
2 by
8.
2 by
1 by 4.
2 by 8, that is 1 by 4. Next, Mohan. Mohan is there. Mohan Karthik. Children, this is a question like this: A, B, C, D. This is the question, children. Okay, here 90 degrees is there. Question is D is the midpoint, children. D is the midpoint. We need to prove that. Required proof is AC square is equal to AD square plus 3CD square. Riddhi, are you there, Riddhi? Jyotsna? Samhita? Grishma, you tell?
Yes, sir.
Original triangle?
ABC triangle AC square equals to AB square plus BC square.
Small triangle?
AD square equals to AB square plus BD square.
AB square plus BD square. Okay, so we'll take this only.
AB will substitute here. AC square equals to AD square minus BD square.
Which one you are substituting? AB you are substituting as?
AD square minus BD square.
AB square you are substituting as AD square minus BD square. AB square is AD square
Minus
BD.
BD square.
AD square minus BD square plus BC
BD square plus BC square.
But AC
D
is
is
coming as, one
midpoint.
second, AC is coming as AD and CD. AD is there, CD is there. Okay, tell, no problem. Tell.
D is midpoint, so
In the final answer,
BD
CD
equals
is
to
there.
BC.
In the final answer, CD is there. Can you convert BD as CD?
Yes, sir.
How?
D is midpoint, so BD
BD
equals
is
to
equal to
DC.
CD. So CD is correct.
CD square.
How can you write BC? 2CD.
Yes, sir. 2CD.
2CD
is
whole
square. AC square equals to AD square minus CD square plus 4CD square. AC square equals to AD square minus 3CD square. Hence prove.
Hence, that's it. So children, seeing the question you have to do, children, this AB square, I substituted here, children. Then I converted BD into CD because BD and CD are equal. And BC I wrote it as 2CD, children, because D is midpoint. BC I wrote it as 2CD because BD plus CD. 2CD I wrote, children, because CD is the midpoint. Please mute your audio, children, if you're not answering. Next. Root 3 sin theta. Root 3 sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 0. Find theta. This is the question. Grishmita is there. Grishmita. Grishmita. Yeah. Who will tell this some children? Who will tell this some? So children, cos theta I bring here. Root 3 sin theta is equal to cos theta. Okay, bring cos theta here, root 3 here, children. Sin theta by cos theta is equal to 1 by root 3, children. Sin by cos is tan theta.
Tan
Tan
theta is equal to 1 by
tan
root 3.
30.
So
Theta is equal to 30.
theta is equal to 30.
Theta is equal to 30.
Okay.
Next one. During sunset, shadow of the tower increases. The shadow of the tower is 3 times as long as shadow. The angle of elevation of sun is 60 degrees. Find the angle of elevation of sun at the time of longer shadow. I don't want to confuse you people. Children, see here. I will say slowly also see here. So children, the shadow of a tower at is 3 times as long as its shadow when the angle of elevation is 60 degrees. When the angle of elevation is 60 degrees, if the shadow is x, imagine x. At some angle of elevation, it is 3x. At some angle of elevation, it is 3x. Okay, children, at 60 degrees, if you think x, at some angle of elevation, it is 3x. Find the angle of elevation of the sun at the time of longer shadow. What is the angle of elevation of this time? This is the question. This height won't change here. So tan theta here is equal to h by
3x.
Tan 60 here
Tan
is equal to
h by x.
H by
h
X.
by x. Okay, children. So h is equal to tan theta 3x.
into
H
3x
is equal to x tan
x
16.
and
Okay,
x
children.
Equate
Both h's are equal. So tan
tan theta
theta
3x is equal to x root 3.
x tan 16. Okay, children. So x
Tan
cancel
60.
3 will go. So tan theta
Tan
is
theta is
tan 60 is root 3 by 3. Okay, children. So rationalize it numerator. So you get 3 by 1 by root 3.
1 by root 3.
1 by root 3.
So
Tan
tan
theta
theta is equal to
1
tan
by
30.
3. Tan theta
So
is equal to
tan 30.
30.
So
So theta
theta
is
is
equal
equal to
to
30
30
degrees.
degrees. Satya, are you there? Satya. Satya, are you there? The slack height of frustum. Children, there is a frustum question. Children, frustum is not there for you. So I will say under sum is this only. 26. Satya, you say the 3/4 of conical vessel of internal radius 5 centimeters and height 24 centimeters is filled with water. 3/4 of is filled with water. The water is emptied into a cylindrical vessel with internal radius 10 centimeters. Find the height of the water in this after it is kept. All the water is put into this. Okay.
Yes.
When you will start telling 1 by 3, pi square h is equal
Pi
to
square h is equal to pi square h.
base is how much?
It is
1 by 4 into
1
5
by
into
4
5
into
into
5.
24 equals to 10 into 10 into h.
So children, 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are
5
10.
2s are 10. 2 12s are 2 6 are.
So 6
H
by 4
equals
means 1.5
1.5.
centimeters. Children, if you put all the water from this to this, here you'll get 1.5 centimeters of water. If you put all the water from this to here, you'll get 1.5 centimeters of the water, children. All the water of this 3/4 here, if you keep here, then you get that much water. Children. Next question. Children, 3x square plus 2x plus 1 is there. Find the polynomial, new polynomial, whose zeros are 1 minus alpha by 1 plus alpha and 1 minus beta by 1 plus beta. This is the question. Children, if alpha and beta are the zeros of this polynomial, okay, you have to find a new polynomial whose zeros are so and so. Children, you have to make a new polynomial. Do you remember the formula for making a new polynomial?
X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta.
Can you simply resolve this into factors, children? Can you resolve this into factors, children?
So 2 and 1.
2 and 1, sir.
2x plus 1x plus 1.
You can't resolve that into factors, children. You can't resolve that into factors.
3 and 1, sir.
3 and 1, but minus is not there, no. Minus is not there, children. You can't resolve that into factors. Minus is not there. You can't resolve that into factors, children. Since minus is not there, you can't resolve it into factors.
Sir, 1 minus alpha by 1 plus alpha, those are only zeros of this given polynomial, sir.
No, for you, this you'll get alpha and beta, no?
Yes, sir.
Suppose imagine 2 and 3. The 2 and 3, 2 here, 3 here, you should substitute, you get some values. That values you have to put here, you get new equation. But probability is you are not getting any equation. You are not able to split them. When you are not able to split them, equation will become really very difficult. What shall we do?
Sir, can we use discriminant?
Discriminant, no. If you use discriminant also, you can't split it. You can't split it first of all. x square minus, what is the value of alpha, children?
1 minus alpha
1
by
minus alpha by 1 plus alpha. 1 minus beta by 1 minus beta into x plus 1 minus alpha by 1 plus alpha into 1 minus beta by 1 plus beta.
See, children, it is becoming really very, very big, laborious process, children. Because you can't split that, it is becoming very, very big process. If you can split it, we can do it 2-3 steps, children. But since we can't split it, it's becoming very, very big. Shall we do this, children, like that one? No problem. You want me to do? This is the question, that's all. You can't change the question according to our view.
But we will not get answer without knowing alpha and beta.
Nah, we can know, we can get. Without knowing alpha, beta also we can get, but this is very big process. Shall I do, children, for you once?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's then this will be the last one, children, because this is very big. R plus 1 plus beta. Please, all of you listen, children. This. Oh my God.
Alpha plus beta into 1 minus alpha.
Oh, children, this is becoming really, 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 very big, children. Okay, but anyway, I want to do and show to you, children, because if not, if you get like this one, you will not be in a position to do. So this is this direct multiplication with children, no chance. 1 into 1, 1.
1
Beta
minus beta
minus beta
minus
minus
alpha plus
alpha
alpha beta
plus alpha beta.
By
1
1
plus
plus
beta
beta
plus
plus
alpha
alpha plus alpha beta.
okay, children. So 1 minus alpha into 1 plus beta. 1 into 1, 1.
1
plus
plus
beta
beta
minus
minus
alpha
alpha
minus
minus
alpha
alpha
beta.
beta plus 1 plus alpha minus beta minus alpha beta.
1 into 1, 1 plus beta.
1 plus beta plus alpha beta.
So, so 1 minus alpha plus beta plus alpha beta by 1 plus alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. Children, everything you should get in this form, alpha plus beta or alpha beta. That should be your intention, children. Now, beta, beta gone, children. Alpha, alpha gone, children. So, x square minus 1 plus 1 is how much, children? 2 minus alpha beta
2 minus 4
minus
alpha.
2 alpha beta
by 1 plus alpha plus beta
Alpha plus
plus
beta plus alpha beta.
x plus 1 minus alpha plus beta plus alpha beta by 1 plus alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. Till here, okay, na, children?
LCM.
No LCM, nothing over. Some. Now I will show how to substitute, children. No LCM. See here. Children, can anyone tell me in this sum what is alpha plus beta?
minus
sum.
2 by 3
Minus b by
minus 2 by 3. In this sum, can anyone say what is alpha beta?
1 by 3
1 by 3.
1 by 3 over, children. Wherever alpha plus beta is there, put minus 2 by 3. Wherever alpha beta is there, put 1 by 3. That's all, children. I'm doing slowly, all of you kindly listen, children. Here, please see here. X square minus 2 minus 2 into 1 by 3 by 1 plus minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 x plus 1 minus, what is alpha plus beta? Minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 by 1 plus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3.
Sir, minus 2 by 3.
Why minus 2 by 3?
Alpha plus beta.
Okay, okay, minus 2. So, children, x square minus 2 minus 2 by 3 by 1 minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 whole x plus 1 plus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 by 1 minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Okay, children? So x square minus, so 3 is the LCM, children, 6 minus 2. 3 is the LCM, children, 3 minus 2 plus 1. X plus 3 is the LCM, 3 plus 2 plus 1 by 3 is LCM.
3
3
minus 2
minus
plus
2
1.
plus 1. This 3 cancel, this 3 cancel. So the final equation is here, children.
X square
X square minus 6 minus 2 is 4. 3 plus 1 is 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. 4 by 3x plus 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. 4 minus 2 is 2. 6 by 2 is 3. Okay, children, and remove the denominator, children. Denominator should not be there in the final equation because in normal polynomials you will not keep any denominator. If you don't want denominator, then 3 will be the LCM. So
Excuse me, sir. The 3 minus 2 plus 1 is 2, no, sir?
what is that? 3 minus what is that?
3 minus 2 plus 1 is 2, no, sir?
Oh, I took 2 only.
4 by 3 you put, sir.
Acha, 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2. That's what you're saying. Okay. So x square minus 2x plus 3. This is your final. Children, if this is you're not able to split it, this much long procedure you have to do. If suppose you can split it, okay, imagine you are getting alpha as 1 and beta as 2. Put here, you simplify this, directly you substitute in this formula, you get answer in 2 steps. But because we are not able to split, you have to continue the whole process. Finally, you have to get everything in alpha plus beta and alpha beta. If you get then alpha plus beta, alpha and beta is available from this, you can substitute and you can get the answer. Like that, you are going to do, children. Anyone have any doubt? Children, anyone have any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.